Hello kids! Today we are going to do an activity for long vowels. The long vowels and their words. But this is only a picture. Where are the words and where are the long vowel sounds? See, this is a picture, but there is a magic. First see the picture properly because you have to paste or you have to join the pictures like this only. This is a head, this is hand, this is hand, this is a leg, and this is one more leg. This is the tummy. So now do you know? See, this is the head, this is one hand, this is second hand, this is a leg and a leg. And now here we go for the activity. I'll tell you what is the activity. Now you can make the picture nicely, na? Yes. This is your activity. These are the tummies and the vowels are written over there. AI says A, IE says I, UE says U, OA says O, EE says E. But where are the parts? These are only tummies, na? The parts are in the bowl. See, these are the body parts. Head, leg, hand. And something is written over there. See? So what you have to do, the magic will happen when you will find out the correct word. The activity is you have to pick a body part and then read the word. What is written over here? Q. And find out which vowel is here, which vowel sound is here. U. And where is the U sound? Here is the U sound. And place the face here. Now next, from this, find out. Again, there are the words of U sound. S, U, sew, P, L, U, plew. And this is a leg. And place it here. Next word is, you will again pick. The next word is oak. And the body part is, it is a face. And where is the O sound? Here is the O sound. Now next is, the body part is leg and the word is peep. S-E-C. Which vowel is here? The long vowel E sound. We will place it here with it. Now next is do. This is U sound. And where is the U sound? This is the U sound. And the body part is, it is a hand. Place it here. Now the next body part is, it is a hand. And the word is hue. Again a U sound. So where we will place it? Here. Next word is, and the body part is a leg. And the sound is E sound. B-E-B. Need. Where is the E sound? Here is the E sound. Next is a face. And the sound is P-I, pie. The word is pie. Sound, the vowel is I. So we will place it on the I sound. The next word is diet. And the body part is a hand. We will place it here. Next is a face, and the word is late. Late. The vowel is A. Here is the vowel. We will place it here. Now the next body part is a hand, and the word is weed. Weed. And the long vowel is E. Where is the long vowel? This is the long vowel. And this is a hand. Next is, the words are died, tie, and the body part is a leg. We will place it here. Next word is ties, and the body part is a hand. We'll put it here with the I sound. Next word is, these are two words, soap, load, and the vowel sound is O. The vowel sound is here. We'll keep it here. Next is me, and the long vowel is A. Here is A. We will keep it here. Next again, rain, and it's a leg. We will put it with the A sound here. Next word is, again, tail, gain. And where is the A sound? Here is the A sound. Now the next word is feet, and the long vowel is E. Where is the long vowel E? Here it is. We will place it here. Now the next word is deep, and it is double E says E, and we will place the hand here. One picture is complete. Wow! E sound is done. The hands, the legs, and the face. Now let's find out the next word. Next word is wait, and the long vowel is A. So we will place it on the A sound. Hey, our second picture is also complete. Now next is tied, lie, and the long vowel is I. We will place it here on the I sound. So next, our I sound is also complete. The two hands, face, and the two legs. Now next is R. The word is goal, and the long vowel is O. Where is the O sound word? Here it is. We will place it here. Next is coal, road, and the body part is a leg, and the sound is O sound. We will place it here. Now next is glue, fuel, and the long vowel is U. We will place it with U. And the last but not the least one is goat. The long vowel sound is O. We will place this hand here. And we are ready with the 5 friends. The next activity is to match the words with the given words. And we will do it one by one sound at a time. Here are the 5 vowels and they have the words which we have already made the body parts. See, this is E sound words. यहाँ पे हमारे E sound words हैं. U sound words, I sound words, A sound words and the OA sound words. अब इसे हमें सिर्फ 1 by 1 करना है, सारों को एक साथ नहीं लेना है. That was a easy activity. हम उसको एक साथ कर सकते हैं because that is a puzzle type. Here we have to match. First we will take the AI sound words and here we go. And the activity is to match the words. We have to arrange all the body parts which we already have done. वही सेम पिक्चर्स हैं, वही सारा कुछ है, उसको सिर्फ हमें अरेंज इस तरह से करना है. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू टेल द चाइल्ड टू पिक द बॉल. ये हमने यहाँ रखा है बट फ्रॉम द 5 बॉल्स लेट द चाइल्ड पिक द बॉल. AI साउंड यहाँ से देखना है और फिर AI साउंड का उसको बॉल लेना है बिकॉज इसमें सारे AI साउंड्स के वर्ड्स हैं. नाउ देन टेल द चाइल्ड टू पिक वन slip from it and unfold it and then read the word gain. Now find out where is the word gain and match it with it. Here, no, this is not gain. This is late. This will give again a practice of reading. इससे वापस वो रीड करेगा सारे वर्ड्स तो उसको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी रीड करने की और फिर सारे साउंड्स के. यू ऑल्सो कैन फाइंड आउट कहाँ पे वो बच्चा कौन सा साउंड नहीं जान पा रहा है, उसको कौन सा साउंड नहीं आ पा रहा है. सो बाय दिस प्रैक्टिस ये रिकॉग्नाइजेशन में बहुत अच्छा एक्टिविटी है. सो इससे हमें वापस से पता चल जाता है कि उसको आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. नाउ अगेन मेन, दिस इज नॉट गेन. Wait, this is not gain. Gain. Yes, this is the word gain. We can match it here. Now next slip. This is the next slip and the word is rain. Again find out where is rain. Wait, this is not rain. Late. This is not rain. Main. Where is rain? Rain. This is rain. We can match it here. Now next slip. Find out the slip. Main. और वो इतना उसने 2 times read किया है. फाइनली उसको फटाफट से पता चल जाएगा where is main and he can match. और नहीं पता चलता है तो again we will read the words and then match the word with the word. Next slip. Fail. अभी ये word उसके सामने नहीं आया है. So again he will try to read. Wait. Late. And the remaining words are fail. Here is fail. Now next slip is the word is late and I know where is late. Here is late. Now next word is wait. Where is wait? Wait. Here it is. Now next word is, let's find out. Tail. Where is the tail word? Tail. Hey, we have completed with the A sound words. Now it's turn for the next vowel sound. Now this is the next sound, that is IE says I. Now from the 5 bowls, the child have to pick the IE sound bowl, because इसमें सारे IE के words हैं. Now what we have to do? We have to again repeat the matching activity. The child will pick the slip, read the word and try to find out the word over here. The same we have to repeat with all the sounds. These two activities will help the child to read the words again and again, and they will easily be able to recognize all the 5 vowels. Now it's time how to make this activity. We will need 5 tummies for 5 vowels, then 5 faces again for 5 sounds, and 2 legs for 1 tummy, that means 10 legs and 10 hands. This much we have to cut with the A4 size का जो color paper आता है उससे हम ये सब cut करेंगे, and then we will write down the vowels on the tummies, all the long vowels and the words. जो एक वाल होगा उसके 2 hands पे, 2 legs पे and a face हम लोग ये words लिख लेंगे. तो this will be prepared like this. For that the same words we will repeat on the chits also to match with the word. So the activity will be ready like this. Make it for your kid and enjoy the activity, enjoy the learning of the kid. Thank you.